Hi everyone. So in continuation with the last day's session on usage of Google Classroom, today we are going to discuss how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. Most of the students do commit mistake while submitting an assignment without clicking the turn-in button, or when there is an assignment quiz, instead of clicking the submit button within the allotted time. And obviously, if they don't do all these step-by-step procedure, they might miss the chance to submit it again, because most of the teachers will set the quiz as well as the quiz assignment with an option to submit once, only once. So make sure that you have learned this step-by-step procedure of submitting an assignment in Google Classroom, and the submission process of an assignment in a Google Classroom is termed as turn in. Turn in an assignment. Turning in an assignment. Also, after submitting an assignment, you can unsubmit it if you want to make some modifications. Obviously, again you need to submit it before the deadline. So straight away we will move on to the session. So how to turn in an assignment. So you can turn in your work online in Classroom. It might be some short notes, scanned copies, or typed in Word or Point, whatever the assignment may be. You can submit as an attachment, and you can also type in your comments privately to your teacher or in the forum among your classmates. So depending on the type of assignment and attachments, you will see two options, either turn in or mark as done. So after you submit or attach the required documents in the assignment, you can mark it as done. So depending on the type, there will be options like this. So if you need to edit work that you turned in, as I mentioned earlier, you can unsubmit it. Again, you need to submit after making the modifications. That is very important. You have to note down, you have to make a note on the due date. All these things you can do before the due date. You can submit after the due date and time. There is no problem. But it will be marked as turned in late or submitted late. Yourselves or the teacher can see that caption along with the assignment that is turned in late or submitted late after the due date and time. So don't try to uh, cheat the teacher by saying that I had submitted well before the deadline. That is not possible here. So do submit your assignments before due date, because the system monitor. So again, one important thing, the system will be taking the system time, the server time. Okay, if the quiz assignment due date is 10:30 a.m., so you have to make a note of the time in the system when the assignment has started, what time. And again, that based on that time you need to calculate the end time also. So in Android systems, in mobile phones, you can attach one or more files to your work. Also, you can open new files in the applications, mobile applications like Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, or drawings. You can work in them. So automatically, it will get saved in your Google Drive and then attach them to your assignment. That is possible. So these are the different steps in turning in or submitting an assignment. You can see a window like this. Fine. Your work, there will be a pop-up. So tap the classroom app icon, then tap the class and classwork. There will be different um, tabs or list. So from that you can take the class work and you can select the assignment which you need to submit on the your work card. So there will be a card like this, your work. Tap expand. This is the expand button. Okay. Tap the expand button. Then there will be option for attaching. Add attachment. Click on that button. Add attachment. Then you can attach from the Google Drive or from the local file in your mobile phones or from the connected OTG disk, whichever the file is, you can attach it, select the attachment, or you can even enter the URL if it's a video uploaded in YouTube or you have saved it in the cloud or somewhere else. You can attach it and tap select. Again, now you have completed the selection process of the file. Now to attach a new document, add attachment, new documents or slides, new sheets or new PDF. That is, you are going to attach a new document which you are going to prepare in the Google apps like Docs, Slides, Spreadsheet or whichever it is. Now once you have done the attachment, click on the done. There will be a tick mark. For a new PDF, when you can write notes or draw images on it. So again, when you are done, tap more and save. So either after attaching, you have to click on this done or this tick mark or the save button. Make a note that you can attach or create more than one file in a single classwork. That is possible. Now, once you have attached your work and done or save button is clicked, now the important point, you have to turn in. You have to turn in and confirm. Otherwise, it will not get submitted. Even though you attach your work, you have to turn in before the deadline, then only it will get submitted. Then once you click on that turn in button as shown here, the assignment status changes to turned in. So once you click on this, automatically this button will be changed to turned in. Again, you will not be able to click on this further. Once you turn in, we can see that the status will be changed to turned in. Now if you want to unsubmit an assignment, again go to the classroom app, classwork, the assignment and expand on your work card. Expand it, tap unsubmit and confirm. So automatically it will be withdrawn. The submitted assignment will be withdrawn. You can uh, delete that attachment, or if you want to make corrections in the file, or if you want to attach another file, that is possible after unsubmitting an assignment. Now in the computer laptop, if you want to submit an assignment, turn in an assignment, go to classroom.google.com, go to classwork, view assignment, which are the assignments given in the classwork. Now if you go to attach an item under your work, so there will be a window like this, a tab like this, your work, it is assigned, it will be in the green color, assigned to you. Okay, if you are joined in that particular class, it will be assigned to you against your work. Below that, there will be a button like this, plus add or create. Either you can add from the Google Drive or local file, or you can create from docs, slides, sheets or drawings. Similar to what you have seen in the Android device. So now you have to select the attachment and click add. There will be a button to add. Here, this blue button. Now, if you want, you can add some private comments to the teacher. That is also possible, as I mentioned earlier. Now, once you attach, turn in. Click on turn in. The status of the assignment changes to turned in. Automatically, this button will no longer be able to click on this. It will be automatically changed to turned in. So that is the procedure for submitting an assignment. Okay, now let us see how to attend a quiz. How to attend a quiz using Google Classroom. So in Android devices, again go to Classroom, icon, classwork, the assignment, tap the quiz file, click on expand, tap the quiz file and answer the questions. Answer the entire questions. Most of the times all the questions will be mandatory. In the quiz, tap submit. So there will be a separate page for the quiz. So usually the quiz will be created using Google Forms. And it will be directly linked to the classroom. Please note that the quiz will not be created in the classroom. Classroom is a platform and the quiz assignment will be created in an external source like this Google Forms. Okay. Now, when you click on the quiz file, it will be opening in the Google Forms. You can check the URL forms.google.com. That will be the URL and your assignment name or the title of the assignment. So in the quiz, that Google Forms page, at the end there will be a button to submit. Tap submit button and again you will come back to this Google Classroom, mark as done. Click on mark as done. Then only it will be completed when you are attending a quiz assignment using Google Classroom. So please be very careful while submitting a quiz assignment. It is slightly different from the submission of offline assignment. Now in computer, the procedure is same. You just need to click on the submit button. In the Google Forms, when you go to the view assignment, click on the form, we will go to forms.google.com, then complete answering the questions, different questions, multiple choice or short answer, whatever it is. Sometimes the forms will be asking to enter your email ID in the first question, as the first question itself. So initially, most of the quizzes will be asking you to provide your valid email ID. The reason behind that is the scores will be released to your email ID. Once the teacher verifies your answers, the scores will be released to your email ID. So it is mandatory to give a working email ID so that you will get your scores in time. Now once you have completed, so in this example this is the last question. Click on this submit button. Finished. That much simple if it is in the computer. So if it is in the Android device, you have to go back to the classroom app and you have to click mark as done. Okay, if it is in computer, just submit will be sufficient. So that's all about the turning of an assignment and quiz assignment in Google Classroom. I hope this was helpful for you. Also, I expect you to comment below for your feedback, as well as if you have any specific questions to ask or clarifications in the sessions, you may ask your questions in the comment below. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let them get benefited. So more videos will be coming soon in the mechanical engineering subjects as well as in common things like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.